In Wanju, Gangwon-do, Chiaksan rises with rugged ridges and deep valleys. Deep within its northern valley, where pine forests meet clear-flowing streams, there stands a temple that has quietly endured beyond the reach of the city's noise. Embraced by the heart of Chiaksan, that temple is Guryongsa. According to legend, this place was once a deep pond where 9 dragons dwelled. It is said that when the monk Uisang arrived here during the Silla period to establish a temple, the dragons soared into the sky and unleashed torrential rain in an attempt to defend their home. Yet the monks stood firm, chanting in prayer until the waters boiled, driving the dragons away and establishing a temple on that very ground. The temple was named Guryongsa, the Temple of 9 Dragons. As time passed, the temple came to carry another legend. Following the words of a visiting monk, the turtle-shaped rock at the entrance was broken, and it is said that the temple declined even further afterward. Later, following the advice of a monk, the character for 9 was changed to that for turtle, and the temple came to be known as Chiaksan Guryongsa. Layered with myth and history, Guryongsa continues its quiet presence to this day. Before entering the temple, the first sight to capture your eye is a magnificent Ginkgo tree that has stood here for over 2 centuries. Its branches spread wide toward the sky, standing firm like a guardian that has watched over this sacred place through time. At the entrance to Guryongsa stands the imposing gate of the 4 heavenly kings. Its tall pillars and wide eaves reveal its impressive scale, standing firm as a symbolic boundary of the temple. Inside, the 4 heavenly kings who guard the cardinal directions gaze down solemnly upon all who enter. Standing beside the gate, the Buddha greets those who arrive with a calm and compassionate gaze. As you enter the temple grounds, Bogwangnu Pavilion comes into view. Passing beneath it and moving deeper inside, the Daeungjun Hall reveals itself at the center. As the main hall of Guryongsa, Daeungjun enshrines Seogamoni Buddha and has long stood at the heart of spiritual practice here. Its orderly tiled roof and red wooden pillars embody the passage of time and the enduring traditions of the temple. Beside the Daeungjun Hall stands a stone pagoda in quiet stillness. Around it, countless written wishes remain, each carrying a personal prayer. The small hopes inscribed upon the roof tiles also continue to endure here, quietly with the passing of time. Beyond these, numerous pavilions and prayer halls stand, each carrying its own meaning. Within each hall, Buddha statues are enshrined, holding the prayers and hopes of those who visit. Beneath red pillars and painted eaves, these structures have long stood as spaces of devotion and practice. Embraced by Chiaksan Mountain, Guryongsa continues its quiet passage through time. Layered with legend, history, and human devotion, this place remains steadfast, quietly holding its ground.